We are on our way towards Maze Peak, which is gonna be behind there. Pavel and Tom, they are also going towards the fall summit. I'll just go straight for the main summit. I don't know. I'm gonna be filming a little and be slower than them. So I'll just do the main summit hopefully, and I'll meet with them there. So yeah. I'm using a filming stick now. I used to have one before, but I lost it. Now I got me another one after a few years. It's pretty handy. We are in close to Ghost area, northwest of Calgary. There are some Eagle Lake somewhere and also Panther Hills and stuff like that. A new area for me. I'm gonna close here. Pavel and Tom visible. Pavel in red, Tom in black jacket, returning from the fall summit here on Maze Peak. You can see them coming. I don't want to really zoom in this weather. I had problems before with the lentils. They give me errors, so I'm just gonna film like this. Quite a beautiful area, very quiet. This is a Maze Peak right there. We came from that direction down to the left and then down to the right, which is the road is visible behind the river. It should be a Red River. So that's the forestry road. Some peaks visible. Yeah. Now it's wrecked.
Okay, so we are on top of Maze Peak, and here is Adrian. How do you like this trip, Adrian?
Oh, it's great, man. Good to be back in a mountain after 4 months of slacking, you know.
Oh, I see.
Always good to be back.
Some nice views.
It's an amazing place, you know. Thanks for organizing, because you came up with the idea.
This is the south side of it. You can see Black Rock Mountain straight down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know. I got the playlist.
Here you can see like a...
It's the west, right?
Yeah, Dormer Mountain.
That's the north.
Barrier Mountain, Warden Rock, I think. Wapiti Mountain, the background, the highest one, back there.
You can touch the fingers about it, you know. That's how you do it.
It's like great. Here is Eagle Peak, the mountain actually. And there you go.
Yeah.
Nice little bit windy day. That's about it.
Press on the stop button. backup video for Grease Peak. A trailhead is that direction near the Red Deer River. Yeah, that's right. It's so small here. This is a lenticular cloud, eh? You see it? A little lenticular cloud. Not fully developed, but a little bit. Huh? Yeah?